Back to my channel. So today I'm gonna take for loop topic to explain to you. So let's learn the for loop topic. In order to learn that, let's create a class first. Create a class. Just name it for loop. I'll check the main method. Finish. Class is created. Now in let's understand one thing first, that there is an exercise, and the exercise is print the name QA 5 times. So what will you do? I'll do like this, QA, and then I'll just copy paste 5 times, 4 times, even more. So what happened? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just run the program. Oh, I got 5 times QA. Problem solved. Okay, but when I say just print this QA 100 times, will you again copy paste like this? No, that's a very hectic job. So there comes the for loop. So what is for loop? Why that example I have taken? So for loop is something, a concept in Java that whenever we perform a similar kind of operation multiple times, that time for loop comes into picture. So what is it, guys? It is used to perform same operation. Look, I am performing same operation, similar operation multiple times. Then we like for loop comes into picture. What is the syntax for loop? Syntax very easy. For and then statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, then close this for loop like this, and then you write here the code, whatever code you want to write. Just comment it out because it's not a code. Now let's take example. Let's print the QA 5 times by for loop. So for int I equals to 1, I is less than or equals to 5, and then I plus plus, and I will write here QA. Just comment this out so that you will not get confused. Now try to run this program. So look, guys, 5 times QA got printed using for loop. Here how much lines we wrote? 5 lines. Here how much line we wrote? Just 3 lines. If you want to even print 10 times, just change the numbers. Look, 10 times. What you have to do here? 5 more times. So that's the beauty of for loop. Same operations multiple times. So this is what and further, if you want more, if you want how the loop exactly goes on, so let me explain you that also. What happens here, guys? Here there are 3 statements. What is the statement number 1? Statement number 1 is initialization. First we initialize, then what do we do? Condition check. If the condition is true, then execute the code. And increment or decrement. So what exactly is happening? Int I equals to 1. Initialization happened here. Just focus on, guys, here. Initialization happened. So what is the value of I right now? 1. Okay. And then 1 is less than or equals to 10. Yes. Then what you should do? Just print, execute the code. What is the code here? QA. Print the QA. Now increment or decrement. So what is here? Increment. So I gets increased. Now what's the value of I? I will become now 2. Now again this will go here only. So 2 is less than or equals to 10, guys. So yes, it is less than. Then again it will execute the code. So it will again print the QA. So this is how the loop will go on here. And once the, the 10 is like, once there a condition comes like 11 is greater than or equals to 10, so it is false. So what happens this time? The loop comes out here. And then if you want to just see, just print here one line. I am out of for loop. And then just try to print here and see. Yeah, you can do multiple things. Let's suppose if you want to, if you want to stop printing when you get 7 in the loop, let's suppose 7. So just add one more statement here. If I equals to 7, just say break. Now print. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I am out of loop. If I equals to 7, just break the for loop. I don't want to continue the for loop, whether the check has been given or not here. Explicitly, I am saying here. So this is also one of the trick you can do using for loop. So guys, practice. And if you get any doubt, please tell me in comments so that I can, rectify the doubts. Thanks for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe it. See you in the next episode.